a bunch of flowers.
Sweet.
After 5 years, you just change for me. You just never know. So you just have to pace yourself. But of course,
Things won't happen.
I want to post whoever me there waiting in the
Yeah.
future, whoever God sent for me.
Mm-hmm.
I want to post and do the things there. I the matching clothes. I don't like it. I love see it.
Yeah.
The matching and so.
You can't.
Get up every day and I make it daily
routine was the photo.
Yeah, that's why you used to dress like intense, though.
Naruto.
You know about China?
Naruto. First and foremost, you know say, you drag me out. You know
Yeah,
say,
sometimes you use so much,
No, listen.
Don't laugh with him.
No, Naruto.
Don't laugh with him. More China.
Naruto. You know me naturally was a tomboy.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
I saw me dress. Oh, yes. Just leave me
That's
alone.
come natural. Oh, we can just like intense.
Oh, me I just like intense. I mean, so just like myself. Naturally. Me
God.
eating up bad like the you know when someone me, when they say, I'm wearing pants.
Oh no.
Yo, no, didn't say that, man.
Yo,
fans.
Me not lie.
People
Yo.
say them say everything.
Yo, what the worst thing? What would I say about Udo? I will do.
I think this was this week episode again. What the words coming.
Yeah.
Like,
But like, what about Udo together? What are the worst
oh, but
thing?
me and my pa.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
can't talk about that.
No, I want to know.
Me not remember.
I
Can't
can remember the pants.
Alright, let me tell you now. Me not read all the negative comment there. No, them used to say my favorite boy and whatever, which me
Yeah.
know. But them used to say some real awful things about him I never like.
Mm.
One of them was about him. Him voice sound annoying and him not go bust or reach nowhere.
Oh, that was before him leave the bus.
Yeah. This is the thing, we can't underestimate people. I know that supposed to make him feel a way, but create a burning fire inside of him. You see me, like, things honestly, not just lash out and say certain things and not take consideration of feelings.
It seemed like some of the criticism about him used to take on upon yourself.
Yeah, a lot. And that me need to do too. Me need to stop do that.
It can heavy because you have
Yeah,
one thing to
stop
deal
put
with.
so much things
Even
on back.
though when you're in a relationship, it's that a part.
Yeah, but
coming
when
like a
it's in the
party, it's a
relationship and it's going 50-50,
Mm-hmm.
not 50-20. Because me
they
if
are
you feel like,
looking
alright, I can't take on the world and then you're going to meet me halfway. That don't make no sense.
You know, did I like do them thing that knowingly before, like we put it out and make people see and
No.
No, if me
No,
and
I
my man
never-
take a picture, I'm feeling like you're not supposed to.
Post it.
Okay.
I never know if it deliberately.
But you
Put out
did
there.
campaigns with your ex, like them thing there.
Remember say
The
me
foundation
and the
days.
boy there.
Foundation.
Me. So I used to
That's a
always
lot.
like, cause me was the one that was out there.
Mm.
So like, if they run any big company or any little something that
You're
say,
a boss him.
no, not bus. I'm
Bus
gonna say,
why?
listen,
No bus
listen,
no man.
no bus part. So I'm gonna say, me
No,
have him
no,
a
no,
road. Me have him some driver. And me just say, come a road now, come a road, cause knowing that. You know, we come from the same community also. So me just say, come a road now, whatever, and try to get, you know, come and say, me out there, we always used to have a dream. Me out there, you have out there too. And just side and side. So you make it, me have to make it. Me make it, you have to make it. And if me make it first, you just have to the back of me, whether or not.
That was
So,
the aim.
yeah, that was just the aim. I mean, say, alright, then if you're a DJ, I must can be like couple dance well. So you sang them since me out there already.
Yeah.
You see, so that was just it. I never know if to say, no, it that go come down for say, you go post your man and it go become an issue or whatever.
You know, them say you need like 7.5 years to get over it. Because them say the length of the relationship, you're going to need half that to get
No,
over
but
it.
the-
One
the
good man
thing is-
come bloops that
Yeah,
dead.
but the thing is, it's not a situation where me need to get over the issue, but it's not like me I think about the issue if it be a whole part of my entire life where me can't focus
Function
on
without
it.
it, yeah.
So it's not like me I work on to get over the issue because And I like say me never love the person.
Which is 15
Yeah.
years.
I never
you
like
have
say me
to
never
love.
love the person.
Yeah.
So me I spend like 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years try to get over the situation. I don't need to try and do that.
Yes.
Well,
other
isn't it
thing-
hard being like on social media, and of course things that play out on social media, and you have people comment and ever say little things
If
like
it hard?
yeah.
Yeah, like sometimes when I see them comment or whatever, it's not like me and him have a bad anyway. Me cuss him and tell him about him mother, him cuss me and tell me about my mother and whatever. Like, no.
And I must give you compliments to that too. Like how they deal with our situation.
Yeah.
Classic.
It's not like say we stay like that no or whatever. Like him and do him thing. And me I do my thing too. And
Friday and
him
sleep, me
send
have
cross
the
him him send cross him happy for you, whatever,
Yeah.
and I'll do the same.
That's
But
nice.
I don't know if I say, all right then, Jesus Christ, big stinking, whatever. When it did just happen,
Cause people did that say, oh yeah, if you clock the boy.
yeah, people that say whatever, I mean know the person where me is. So me did feel like say, all right then, you know what? The same time it happened, I fear for read certain things. I'm afraid to see certain things. So I say, before it happened, I never tell my friend them, never tell nobody. The said night, me just take down everything off of Instagram.
Yeah,
So
that's
me
what you
say,
go there.
people are comment
Oh,
on
sorry,
some long time picture when I post a long time. And I talk about the situation. I mean say, you know what? Me no want to say no, me no want nobody see me because maybe I want one day me go take up the phone and go live and me go class or what me a class for. Who me really go cuss now? What me really go cuss for? And it done out there, we live done out there already. We go live every minute and post and whatever. So